Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes. There is free classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, which I do in detail. Alright, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription as well. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. For 6 months, it will be 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. And per month, 2250. With this subscription, you get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live dot clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper, full-length mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. There is single subscription, unlimited access. Good afternoon, Raju. Happy Sankranti. Okay, guys, let me tell you about this is about the plus subscription, guys. And if you want to take the subscription, there is a link in the description box. You can use this link to take the subscription, and this referral code is also there. All right, in the description box. Use this referral code to get 10% off, guys. And this is a master's batch for KCET 2021, which started on Jan 4th. This new batch started on Jan 4th. Which covers 11th and 12th syllabus by the top educators in the country, guys. Okay, and then these are the best plans. Alright, so just now we discussed for 12 months and 6 months, and use that referral code, you get 10% off. Alright guys, so let's move to PYQs of applications of integrals part 3, guys. 2 sessions we have already done. So I'm supposed to start with question number 17. Okay, now listen. The area bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to x positive, x is negative. Okay, now see, actually when you have y equal to x square or x square is equal to y is an upward parabola. Okay, and y equal to x is a line which will pass through the origin. It should be like this, is it not? Now if I plot the graph for this, if x is positive, you get a line. If x is positive, you get a line. So this is y is equal to x graph, and y equal to x square. If x is negative, then you get an upward curve. Okay, so this is, if x is negative, this is y equal to x square. This will be 0. Alright, now area bounded by this y equal to x square and y equal to x in line y equal to 4. Okay, so let me take this line. This line is y equal to 4. Okay, so this line is y equal to 4. Now if I take the area, guys, let's say this is A1. Okay, and this area is equal to A2. I'm supposed to find out the area bounded bounded by the curve y equal to x square, that is A1 and A2. Okay, so this will be equal to 0, 4. This point is 0, 4. Okay, now I take the complete area capital A is equal to A1 plus A2. Now capital A is equal to integration of, okay, I am going to take with respect to y, okay, y coordinate y equal to 0 to y equal to 4. Okay, so I take integration with respect to y. So this becomes integration of, okay, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, and then you get root y is equal to x, function of y dy. So this is root y dy. Again integration of 0 to 4 and then y dy. Okay, now capital A is equal to integration of root y is y to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 between the limit 0 to 4. And integration of y is y square by 2 between the limits 0 to 4. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Capital A is equal to 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3, upper limit is 4 to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, lower limit is 0. Plus 1 by 2, upper limit is 4 square, lower limit is 0. Now capital A is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so this is 2 square power 3 by 2, that is 8. Plus 16 by 2 is 8. This fellow will get cancelled. Okay, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 16 by 3, okay, plus 8. So you get 16 plus 8, 3 is 24 upon 3. Okay, upon 3. So that's equal to 40 by 3. That's answer, guys. 40 by 3 square units. That's the first option. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 18. Area bounded by y equal to sine x by 3, x equal to 0. X axis and the line x is 0, x is 3 pi. Okay, now listen. This will be equal to 0. Okay, and this graph is actually y is equal to sine x by 3. So sine 0 is 0. At x is equal to 3 pi, it will be 0 only. Because 3 and 3 cancel, sine pi is 0. So this area I am supposed to find out. This will be x, this is y. Okay, area is equal to integration of 0 to 3 pi. 0 to 3 pi, and then this is sine x by 3 dx. Okay, integration of sine is minus cos. So this is minus cos x by 3. Coefficient of x is 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 between the limit 0 to 3 pi. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 by minus 3. This goes to numerator. Okay, upper limit will be equal to cos of 3 pi upon 3. And lower limit is cos 0. Isn't it, guys? This will cancel. So this is equal to minus 3 into a bracket cos pi minus 1 cos 0 1. So I will get this as 6 square units. 6 square units, answer is option 3. Right, let's move to the next question. The area bounded by y equal to sin x between x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. Okay, these are Comet K questions. Now if I draw the sine graph, guys, so this is 0, this will be pi, this is 2 pi. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, and then this is pi by 2. This is pi by 2, and then this is equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, between 0 and pi to 2 pi it is symmetric. Or between 0 and pi to 2 pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. All are symmetric. Okay, so you just find out between 0 and pi by 2. Just find between 0 and pi by 2 and multiply by 4. If you find out between 0 and pi by 2 and multiply by 4, obviously I'll get the same thing, guys. Area is equal to, okay, area is equal to 4 times integration 0 to pi by 2. 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2, and then you will get this as sin x dx. Is it not? Integration of sine is minus cos. Minus cos between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this is equal to minus 4 times upper limit is cos pi by 2. Okay, lower limit is cos 0. Cos 90 will be 0. Cos 0 will be 1. Minus and minus is plus. You get 4 square units. That's the first option. Alright, guys, let's move to the next question. Question number 20. Area of the region, good question. Okay, the area of the region bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to 4x minus x square. Okay, now first I'm going to solve these two, guys, to get a point of intersection. You call equation 1 and call this as equation 2. Okay, let us solve equations 1 and 2. Okay, if I equate these two, you will get x square is equal to 4x minus x square. You shift on the left side, you get 2x square is equal to 4x. So 2x square minus 4x is equal to 0. Take 2x common, you get x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. So point of intersection will be equal to 0, 0 and 2, 4. Okay, now if I before I sketch the graph, guys, let me bring this equation to standard form. 4x minus x square. If I shift on the left side, you get x square minus 4x plus y is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x, okay, half of coefficient of x the whole square. I am just completing the squares. I am going to add 4, subtract 4 plus y is equal to 0. First three terms will be a perfect square, x minus 2 the whole square plus y is equal to 4. Or you shift on the right side, 4 minus y. So 4 minus y. X minus 2 the whole square is equal to, take minus common, you get y minus 4. This is of the form x minus s the whole square x minus s the whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. You understand? Now h comma k will be equal to 2 comma 4. You understand? You get a downward parabola, guys. X square is equal to minus 4a by is obviously a downward parabola. So let's plot the graph now. And vertex will be equal to 2 comma 4. Okay, now y equal to 4x minus x square will obviously pass through the origin. Okay, and then you get a downward parabola and vertex will be equal to 2 comma 4. Okay, this is the first thing. Second, y equal to x square is equal to y is an upward graph, upward parabola. Okay, so this is an upward parabola. Right, y equal to x square is an upward parabola. Point of intersection will be equal to 2 comma 4 only. Okay. So this is 2 comma 4. So point of intersection will be 2 comma 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 4. So this fellow is 2 comma 4. Okay, this is 0 comma 0. This is an upward parabola, y equal to x square, and this is a downward parabola, y is equal to 4x minus x square. Right, so this part I am supposed to find out area bounded between, when you drop the perpendicular, this is 2 comma 0. Okay, so this is x, this is y. Alright, now let us find the area. Now area is equal to integration 0 to 2. Okay, now this downward parabola covers the maximum area. 0 to 2 downward will be equal to 4x, okay, minus x square dx, minus integral 0 to 2, minus integral 0 to 2, then you cut that upward will be equal to x square dx. Take downward, cut that upward, you get the shaded part. So limit is same, 0 to 2, 4x minus x square dx. Okay, so this is equal to this can be written as 4x minus x square close the bracket and then dx. Okay, so integration 0 to 2, you have 4x minus 2x square dx. 4 is a constant, integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Okay, minus 2 is a constant, integration of x square is x cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 2. This will cancel 2 times. Upper limit 2 square 4, lower limit is 0, minus 2 upon 3, upper limit 2 cube 8, lower limit is 0. So you will get this as 8 minus, okay, so that's equal to 8 minus 16 by 3. If you cross multiply, 24 minus 16 whole divided by 3. So that's equal to 8 by 3, guys. 8 by 3 square units. So that's equal to 8 by 3 Okay, square units. 8 by 3 square units. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. 21. Question number 21. Area of the region containing the origin bounded by the ellipse and the lattice rectum. Okay, the chord drawn from the focus perpendicular to the axis is called the lattice rectum. Okay, just a sec. The chord drawn from the focus perpendicular to the axis is called the lattice rectum. Okay, now if I suppose take an ellipse, suppose I take an ellipse. Okay, this L dash, and then you get L1 and L1 dash. This is called the lattice rectum. I'm supposed to find out this area. This is S, this is S dash. The chord drawn from the focus perpendicular to the axis is called the lattice rectum. Okay, this area I'm supposed to find. This will be OS. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is A, sorry, this is A dash. This is A dash, this will be B. Okay, and then this is B dash. X, this is Y. Right, I'll find area in the first quadrant, multiply by 4. So first I should find out the ends of the lattice rectum, right? Okay, ends of the LR. Okay, ends of the lattice rectum, that is L, right? Ends of LR is equal to plus minus AE, comma plus minus B square by A. Those are the ends of the lattice rectum. Okay. Now this ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So I get a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 2. So b square is equal to 3, horizontal ellipse. Okay, now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 3. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. From this I'll get eccentricity. Right, now b square is equal to 3, a square is equal to 4 into 1 minus e square. I get 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 4. So e is equal to half. Okay, now if I substitute here, this is plus minus a is equal to 2, e is equal to 1 by 2, comma plus minus b square itself is 3, a is equal to 2. Okay, so this is equal to 1 plus minus 1 comma plus minus 3 by 2. Plus minus 1 comma plus minus 3 by 2. Isn't it, guys? Just take the first quadrant. So this is 1 comma 3 by 2. Drop the perpendicular. This is 1 comma 0. Alright, now I will find out only in the first quadrant and multiply by 4. I get the complete area. Okay, so let me write here. Required area is equal to to 4 times area of OSLB. So this is equal to 4 times integration 0 to 1. Okay, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, and then you get function of x dx. So this is equal to 4 times integration 0 to 1. Okay, x square by 4 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. 4 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. So from this I can write y square by 3 is equal to 1 minus x square by 4. Y square upon 3 is equal to cross multiply, you get 4 minus x square divided by 4. So y square is equal to 3 by 4 into 4 minus x square. So you get y is equal to root 3 by 2. Root of 2 square minus x square. Isn't it? Now I'm going to substitute, guys. So this is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 root of 2 square minus x square dx. So this will be equal to 2 root 3. Integration 0 to 1 root of 2 square minus x square dx. Okay, now once I'm done, I'll use the formula root of a square minus x square. Root a square minus x square formula will be equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, plus a square by 2 and sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x by a and plus c. So this is 2 root 3, okay, into a bracket x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. So if I use the formula, you get x by 2 x by 2 into root of a square minus x square, 2 square minus x square, plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2, 2 square divided by 2, sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x upon 2, between the limits 0 to 1. Right, if I open the bracket, root 3 is a constant, 2 and 2 cancels, x into root of 2 square minus x square. Square minus x square between the limit 0 to 1. Right, this 2 will cancel with the square. If you multiply, you get 4 root 3. Okay, and then you get sine inverse of x by 2 between the limit 0 to 1. Okay, if I substitute upper limit will be equal to root of 4 minus 1. Okay, and then lower limit with 0 because x is 0, plus 4 into root 3. Okay, plus 4 into root 3. Upper limit is sine inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, and lower limit is sine 0, sine inverse of 0. Okay, anyway, sine inverse of 0 will be 0. This is 0. Okay, and then you get root 3 into root 3 plus this is 4 root 3. Okay, this will be 4 root 3. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 will be equal to pi by 6. Okay, so this is 2 pi 2, this is 3. Right, now if I bring it to the option form, guys, so this will be equal to 3 plus, this is equal to 3 plus 2 into root 3 by 3 is 3 by root 3 by 3 is 1 upon root 3. That's the answer. Answer is option C. 3 plus 2 pi upon root 3. Yes, answer is option C. It's a COMET question, guys. Level will be obviously a little higher than the CET level. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, well, let me tell you, there is a standard result which I have given you in the previous sessions. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x. Area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and its lattice rectum. And its lattice rectum 16 is 8a square by 3. Is 8a square by 3. Okay, now area bounded by the parabola and its lattice rectum is 24 square units. What should be the equation of the parabola? So let's call this equation 1. Okay, let's call this equation 1. It's already mentioned that area bounded by this is 24 square units. Area is equal to 8a square by 3. Okay, area is 24, that is given in the question, is equal to 8a square by 3. Okay, this will cancel with this 3 times, cross multiply, I get a square is equal to 9. So you get a equal to 3. Okay, now let's substitute in equation 1. You get y square is equal to 4 into, this is 3 into x. Y square is equal to 12x. That's the answer, guys. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Y equal to x cube, x coordinate, and the ordinates minus 2 and plus 1. Y equal to x cube, it's a cubic function. Okay, if I draw the graph of a cubic function, this will be 0, guys. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Right? Then, hi Tanuf, good afternoon. So this area, it's not symmetric, guys. I'm supposed to find out this area. And it's not symmetric. This is y equal to x cube. Okay, this is y equal to x cube. This is x, this is y. Okay, now area is equal to, area below the x-axis will be negative, area above the x-axis will be positive. So I'm going to write this as integration of minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0 and then you get x cube dx plus integration 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 and then you get x cube dx. So this is a mod here. Okay, integration of x square, x cube is x power 4 by 4 between the limits minus 2 to 0. Okay, integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 divided by 4 between the limit 0 to 1. So you get 1 upon 4. Upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 2 power 4, 16. Okay, plus upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. You will get this as 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 17 by 4. Answer is option D. Okay, so I'll stop here, guys. Please do watch, like and share my video, guys. Alright, and before I wind up, let me tell you about the Unacademy subscription as well. Alright, let me give you let me tell you why do you need to take the subscription. Okay, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants, guys. In fact, for 2022 as well. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375. That is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. Okay, and then 6 months you get 10125. That is 1688 per month. Okay, with this referral code, you get 10% discount and per month 2250. You get premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, daily practice paper full and mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. Alright, so please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. Please do watch, like and share my video, guys. I'll be meeting you on 17th of this month with part 4 of PYQs of applications of integrals. Okay, see you then, guys. God bless you. Thanks for joining me. Take care, guys.